Hey guys, this is Nathaniel. This is a faux introduction. I've not made an introduction yet. I normally like to save these towards the end so I can actually get a feeling, a sense for what I've covered. But I do want to explain some part of the reasons why I'm making these series of videos. So I find in the developer community you'll see two types of tutorials. One is the incredibly basic tutorial. This is like how you set things up. This is not that. I'll go ahead and I'll link some incredibly basic tutorials here. And the next thing you should see is the extremely advanced tutorials. So I mean, like, how do you build, your own distributed queues and blah, blah, blah. Now, that might be super easy in something like Elixir, but in Meteor it might be really hard. So I want to build an intermediate tutorial. There is one okay intermediate tutorial that I'll link here. I feel like it's more on the beginner side than on the basic side, but it takes you through some of the fundamental concepts and a little bit further. Some of the things it doesn't do is it doesn't explain the weird parts. So I have another sort of series of videos that does try to explain some of the weird parts of Meteor. What's actually going on under the hood? Picking up the engine and inspecting it. So I'll be doing a little bit of that. The final thing that this is going to be doing is this is going to be showing you a different side of Meteor. It's going to be doing some DevOps as well. Again, there were some good tutorials on this, but there don't seem to be any anymore. The fundamental reason I'm making these videos is because I imagine later on I'm going to have people that are going to be working with me or for me or above me that I want to say, hey, I think we should do it this way. We should have development this way. And it would be nice to have the material in order to show them. I know this is not the best introduction, but I'll probably delete this video at some point and install a proper introduction. But I thought just to post all these videos without the actual true introduction would be somewhat mediocre. So here is the faux introduction. I hope you enjoy Meteor Maxims. This is where you go from already knowing basic Meteor, so please take one of those basic tutorials, all the way to the point where you can use some of those advanced tactics, whether it will be for yourself or for wherever you're working for. Okay, thanks guys, and I hope you enjoy.